wouldn't want it to seem as if we are trying to force the issue. Let us get them to support us. Your colleagues in the Senate, they've supported this movement. So what is there in a family of APC people getting the support of the governor to say, goodbye, you people can go, we can stay on our own? I believe it will make it a little bit more matured and even less challenging, as the case may be. That is the only caveat that I believe that we must take on board, so that nothing appears confrontational, nothing appears as if we're trying to force an issue. The body language of Mr. President when I met with him on the 20th of March underscores exactly what you're saying, that yes, his thinking seemed to be in sync with the point you have made. But we cannot, in all conscience, entertain is the prospects of having people from across the Niger to become part of this undertaking. I've made the statement in Abuja, and I'm repeating same here. This is for South-South, and we can only leave it for South-South. I'm speaking the mind of our people, and we are not equivocating on that. So we are ready to go on this journey with you.
You all have heard what the Asaba of Asaba said. He said that Anioma State is for South-South, that Anioma State should not be zoned to the Southeast. Asaba of Asaba is only speaking up for some Asaba people. He is not speaking the mind of all Asaba people. The Asaba of Asaba is only the king of Asaba people. He is not the king of Ibuso people. He is not the king of Ogwashuku people. He is not the king of Akuku Igbo people. He is not the king of Ubuluku people. He is not the king of Ezechime clans. He is not the king of Okwane people. He is not the king of Ika people. He is not the king of Oshimili people. He is not the king of Anyocha people. So the Asaba of Asaba is not speaking on the behalf of Anioma people. He is only saying the opinion of those Asaba people that wants to remain in South-South. The Asaba of Asaba said all these things few months ago when Senator Nenwoko visited him, telling him about the agitation for Anioma State. When those Benin people that are fighting Igbo unification that say that Anioma land belongs to Benin Kingdom, when they saw the video, they started laughing like goats that saw lemongrass, jubilating, saying that Asaba of Asaba have spoken. Anioma people should remain in the South-South. We want Anioma to be in the South-South. As if the Asaba of Asaba is the king of Anioma people. The Asaba of Asaba cannot tell we Anioma people where to be. We Okwane people are proud Igbo people. We want Anioma State to be zoned to the Southeast, not South-South. We have no business with South-South. Those that are proud of South-South, they should speak for themselves. The day of Igbo said that Anioma State should be in the South-South. Is he speaking up for the entire Ika people? No. He's only speaking up for those Igbo people that say they want to remain in South-South. The Obi of our kingdom in Ikaland said that his ancestors migrated from the Southeast, that they came from Nri Kingdom. He said that he always goes to Nri Kingdom every year to unite with them. So now this is the way Asaba for Asaba come talk, and I go come make Obi of our kingdom not join in brothers for Southeast. Because Asaba for Asaba thought say Anioma State should be in the South-South, make Ibuso people not join their brothers for Southeast. Ibuso people migrated from Isu in the Southeast. They are proud of their Igbo identity. Ogwashuku the same thing. Akuku Igbo the same thing. Ubuluku people have never denied their Igbo identity. When we went there, Ubuluku people are saying that they are Igbo people. They said they want Anioma state to be zoned to the southeast. The Ugwani of Okpanam Kingdom in Anioma land, where Kaduna Zogo came from. The Ugwani said that Anioma state should be actualized and zoned to the southeast. That we Anioma people want to unite with our brothers in the southeast. Asaba of Asaba say make Anioma remain for south does not hold water. Because every possibility for Anioma state to be in the south is dead and buried. Every possibility is dead and buried. No one is alive. The south already has 6 states. The southwest has 6 states. Northeast have 6 states. Northwest have 7 states. So you want Tinubu to give us Anioma state and keep it in south? No. The southeast only wants 1 state, and that is Anioma state. We Anioma people are Igbo people. We are not Igala people. We are not Bini people. This Asaba always come out to say that Asaba people are Igala. Not all Asaba people are Igala people. Say Nebisi, Papa, now from Igala. Not me say Asaba people are Igala people. Igbo people have already existed in Asaba. They are living in Asaba before Nebisi came and became the king of Asaba. Nebisi is not the founder of Asaba. People have been living in Asaba before Nebisi came. That is a fact, and you know it. So, those are Anioma people that are saying, we don't want to join the southeast because of insecurity, because of IPOB, blah, blah, blah. All those ones are not reasons for we Anioma people to remain in South, because we have no business with South people. If you are saying that the reason why you don't want to join the southeast is because of insecurity, if we join southeast, we will sit down in a round table and discuss on the way forward for the southeast. For insecurity to be abolished in a region, the people are expected to come together and talk things out. So we no go talk say because of say southeast they get some minor issues, make we not join southeast. It's not possible. Asaba people are always saying during the Biafra war that Asaba people were massacred. Because of that, we don't want to join the southeast. Is it only Asaba people that were killed during the Biafra war in Anioma land? No. In Ishiago community in Anioma land, there was also a massacre there. It's called Ishiago massacre. Ishiago people were brought out and killed the same way they did in Asaba. The Obi of Ishiago community was buried alive during that massacre. And even at that, are Ishiago people coming out to say that they don't want to join the southeast? No. How many people for Ishiago you don't see they come online, they thought say they don't want to join the southeast, they rather remain in the south? How many of them have you people seen? Asaba people should stop using Asaba massacre as a means to divide Igbo nation. No be only una died during the war. During that Biafra war, so many people in Ibuzo lost their lives. Say they not bring out Ibuzo people in group, shoot them the way they do now. Not me say they not kill people for Ibuzo. The number of people that were killed in Ibuzo during that war is more than 1,000 people. Wait till be 1,000 people. Do you know the number of people that were killed in Ogwashuku? Do you know the number of people that were killed in Ezechibe communities? The community of Senator Nwoko, Uboko. Do you know the number of people that were killed there? Do you know the number of people that were killed in Ika land? Do you know the number of people that were killed in Ukwani land? You people should stop using Asaba massacre as an excuse for us not to join the southeast. The person that caused that Biafra war, Kaduna Zogo, is from Okpanam and Anioma land here. See Asaba, see Okpanam. Both of you are boundary communities. Have you seen Okpanam people coming out to say that they don't want to join the southeast because of the Biafra war? Now, southeast person caused that war. No, now Kaduna Zogo from Okpanam. After Kaduna Zogu did that coup in 1966, the North started killing Igbo people there. Southeast people were so much in the North then. Northerners started killing them. More than 30,000 people were killed in the North. 99% of them are from the Southeast. You Asaba people, you people are not talking about it. Oh. You are only using Asaba massacre as a means to justify why you don't want to be zoned to the southeast. You people should stop being selfish. Stop playing the victim card. We are in this together. Kaduna Zogo, your brother from Okpanam, Nine caused that war. He didn't cause the war because he wants to fight. The reason for that coup was because They want to make Awolowo the Prime Minister of Nigeria. They want to bring him out from detention and make him the Prime Minister of Nigeria. But because they kill all those officers who hold Awolowo, now cause this war. Those of you from Asaba that are saying, we don't want to join the Southeast because of Asaba massacre, because of the Biafra war, they killed our people in Asaba. Now Southeast person caused the Biafra war, no. When Kaduna and Zogo did that coup and they started killing Igbo people in the north, where were you Asaba people? You Asaba people, you are just playing the victim card. Like say now, the war pain pass. That war touched every part of Igbo land. What of those people that were killed all over the Southeast? Are they not human beings? The propaganda that you people are spreading is someone from the Southeast was the one that broke the head bridge. Say that a person from Southeast now break onitsha head bridge, where make Nigeria make the kill now. It's a lie. The person that broke that head bridge is actually from Asaba. If we get this Anioma state now the crew area where they Okwane land, we go take the power this Anioma state. You people don't even have the resources where they go talk say now these resources they will take the power Anioma state. Now Okwane people go the power this Anioma state. The people that need this Anioma state the most is we Okwane people. So stop deciding for we Anioma people where to be. We are not South people. We are meant to be in the Southeast. We will never allow anything that happened during the past, during the Biafra war, to stop we Anioma people not to be zoned to the Southeast. Even as we did for this house, so the country still hate us because they know we are Igbo people. Other tribes in the South see we Anioma people as Igbo people. They call us Igbo people. Yoruba people are calling we Anioma people Igbo people till date. Yoruba people are the ones that wrote that the 1966 coup was an Igbo coup. Kaduna Zogo is from Okpanam. He's from Anioma land here. Anioma is not even part of Eastern region. Anioma is Midwestern region then. But instead, Yoruba people, Northerners and other tribes in Nigeria said that the 1966 coup was an Igbo coup. Upon us, Anioma people take it for Midwestern region. Anioma people are not part of Eastern region. They still call the coup Igbo coup. Asaba of Asaba, that is enough reason for you to know that Anioma people are Igbo people. The language of Anioma people is supposed to make you understand that Anioma people are Igbo people. Stop trying to find one reason or the other to separate we Anioma people from our Southeast brothers. You people should stop playing that emotional game. No be only na the key during Biafra war. The community of Senator Ned Nwoko, Uboko, they nearly wiped them out. Senator Ned Nwoko was 9 years old during that war. Because of the way they take kill Uboko people, the elders and parents of Uboko children started telling Senator Ned Nwoko and other children that they should deny that they are not Igbo people if people ask them if they are Igbo people or not. Senator Ned Nwoko said it during Igbo Bofu conference. No be only Asaba people they killed during that Biafra war. So anyone that is saying that Anioma should remain in South is not speaking the mind of Anioma people. That person is only speaking the mind of those politicians in Anioma that are fighting Senator Ned Nwoko. We know those politicians from Anioma that don't want Senator Ned Nwoko to actualize this Anioma state. The reason why those politicians are fighting Senator Ned Nwoko is because they don't want Senator Ned Nwoko to be seen as the father of Anioma state when actualized. They know that if Senator Ned Nwoko actualized Anioma state, that na go be oga patapata of Anioma state. They don't want it. Those politicians from the South, they are working with those politicians in Anioma that are fighting Senator Ned Nwoko. Those politicians are all stealing the resources in Okwane land with those politicians in Anioma land. They work hand in hand. So they want Anioma state to be zoned and be kept in South so that they will be interacting and stealing that resources, because they know that if Anioma state is being zoned to the Southeast, that they will not have that power and opportunity to be stealing the resources in Okwane land anymore. They know say Southeast politicians not go agree, make them come they partake from the resources in Okwane land. Those people they see for Anioma, they talk say Anioma should remain in South. They don't know that this is what those politicians are doing with the resources in Anioma land. Some people from Okwane land where they see, so they know saying that this thing they happen, but they want to be benefiting from it. That's why you will see them coming online to say rubbish. Anioma say she remain in South. Are we South people? Did Igbo nation force us to be speaking Igbo language? If our ancestors are not Igbo speaking people, how come are we speaking Igbo language today? Did Igbo people force you to start speaking Igbo language? No. The reason why you are speaking an Igbo dialect today is because your ancestors are Igbo people. Nothing will happen for the past where go make we Anioma people not join Southeast. Nothing. That's not it. So many kings in Anioma land are proud of their Igbo identity. So no be Asaba of Asaba will tell we Anioma people where to be and where to belong. Oshimili people, Aniocha people, Okwane people, Yeka people are proud of their Igbo identity. No be Asaba of Asaba will tell us to remain in South. We are meant to be in the Southeast, and Southeast we shall remain. Anioma State must be actualized and zoned to the Southeast. And nobody from Anioma land, not even a king or a politician, can stop Anioma State not to be zoned to the Southeast. Ishiagware.